my name's Lucy from Lucy and Lentils, and today I'm in the Mornflake milk kitchen and we're going to cook up a delicious autumnal berry crumble. It's so tasty, it's perfect for cozying up on the sofa and taking a big scoop with ice cream. So let's get to it. So on the stove we've got a skillet pan with a little bit of olive oil in, and it's just started to heat up, and we're going to pop in a cup of frozen berries. This time of year it can be a bit of a nightmare to get fresh berries, so frozen is always best. And we're going to put a chopped up Braven apple, a little bit of a mix around, and we're going to add half a teaspoon of ginger and half a teaspoon of cinnamon and a heaped teaspoon of coconut sugar. And just let that start to stew. So whilst our berries and apple are starting to stew, we're going to add into a mixing bowl 1 cup of jumbo oats and half a cup of the Superfast oats. The only reason that I've chosen 2 different oat textures is because it makes a really nice crumble, just to have a bit of differentiation. And we're going to add half a cup of maple syrup, half a cup of coconut oil, heaped teaspoon of ginger, and a heaped teaspoon of cinnamon. And then once these have started to cook down, we're going to pop it on top and then put it in the oven, and it'll make a delicious crumble. Just adding a pinch of salt for taste, and that is now ready to go on top of our berry mix. So we're just going to add the oats to the top of the skillet. I like a nice thick top, so you get lots of crumble to go with the berries. And then, using some oven mitts because the skillet will get very hot, I'm just going to place it in the oven for around about 20 to 25 minutes until it's nice and golden and crunchy on top. I hope you enjoyed watching how to make this delicious berry crumble, which is perfect for the chilly autumnal and winter evenings. It's even better with a little bit of fresh cream and eaten straight from the skillet.